Hey friends, here we're going to draw a Frankenstein bunny.
Yeah, we hope you're going to follow along. It's going to be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use a pencil or whatever you have. You also need some
Paper and something to color with.
Yeah, you ready to start?
Yes.
Because we're using markers to draw and color with, we're also using marker paper to draw on. That helps make our markers last longer. Okay, let's start by drawing our bunny's nose. I'm going to draw it right here in the middle of my paper. I'm going to draw a V shape, or the letter V, a small letter V, and then we're going to draw the top of the nose to draw an upside down triangle. And then we can draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a curve that comes out to the left and also out to the right. And then we can draw the eyes. I'm going to draw a circle about this size and the same size circle over here on the right to match. Then we can draw, yeah, there you go. Then we can draw a small little circle in the top left of each eye. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. And remember, anytime we go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need extra time. Okay, our bunny's looking really cute. We need to turn it into a Frankenstein. But first, let's draw the shape of the head. I'm going to start here. We're going to draw the letter U right underneath the bunny's mouth, and then come up next to the eye on the other side so that it matches. Then we're going to draw the top of the head, and I'm going to draw it kind of tall so that we can add the stitches and turn it into a Frankenstein. And then right here at the top, let's draw a line that goes across. This is how you get the brain inside of the bunny head. And then let's draw stitches. I'm going to draw one right here in the middle. Oh, and we could also make these stitches like rectangle shapes too if we want, but you could also just leave them dashed lines or straight lines. I'm going to add more of these stitches, and because I'm repeating the same step, I'm going a little faster. I'm going to add another one over here. Oh, those are really big stitches. Oh yeah, you could color it in too if you want. I like that. It looks really cool. Now we're ready to draw the bunny ears. Let's draw an upside down U coming up, around, and back down. And I'm going to draw another one the same size over here. Oh, I like how wide you made your bunny ears. I wish I made mine wider too. But that's okay, right? That they're different?
Yeah.
The most important thing is?
To have fun.
Yeah, and to
practice.
Practice. Now we're going to draw the inside of our bunny ears. I'm going to draw the same shape, but smaller inside of both ears. Now let's also draw the bolt that comes out of the side of our Frankenstein bunny. I'm going to draw 2 lines coming out on each side. And then we're going to connect these 2 lines with a longer line going this way. And then let's turn this into a really skinny rectangle shape to finish the bolt. Yeah, now we're ready to draw the body. Let's draw 2 lines coming out from the chin. And then we can draw a little curve right here in between, but I'm not going to connect on each side. Then we're going to draw the legs. We're going to turn this into a letter U that connects to that center curve and then match on the other side. Yeah, and then we can also draw the bunny Frankenstein clothes. I'm going to draw a curve for the waist or the pants. We could also add boots or shoes down here at the bottom. Oh, and let's give him a jacket. I'm going to draw a line down the middle. And then we can draw, and then let's draw a collar. I'm going to draw a letter V on this side and also a letter V on the other side. And then let's also draw the bunny arms coming out to the side, but look like they're coming forward, almost like a zombie. So we're gonna, I'm gonna curve like this. Yes, there you go. And then right here, we're gonna finish the arm going back in. Let's do the same thing on the other side, try to match. Gonna come out to the side, we're gonna curve down, back up, and then we're gonna finish the arm coming in like that. Oh, and let's draw a sleeve. We're gonna draw a curve at the wrist on both sides. And we did it! We finished our Frankenstein bunny. It looks really cool, except we're not completely done.
We still need to color him.
Yeah, he's gonna look so much better all colored in. We are gonna fast forward, so remember to pause the video at the end if you wanna match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yeah.
Hadley, we did it! We finished drawing and coloring our Frankenstein bunnies. It's always my favorite. I love how cute it looks.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Aw, thanks. I also added extra things to my drawing, like hair, and also we added a patch and a little torn part on the pants. Oh, and also I added his brain, and somehow it fell out. You can pause the video to match our same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, and we also used our Art for Kids Hub markers, but you can use whatever you have, like crayons or even colored pencils. Now, if you have the same set, the green that we used was a light green 166, and then we used a darker green to add shading. What number was that?
59.
Yeah, and then we also used 100 for the shirt, CG5 for the pants, CG1 for the bolts, and what was the pink color?
89.
Yeah, also used a white colored pencil to make the highlights a little bit bigger, and also a blue colored pencil to add a second highlight on the very bottom of the eye, but you can leave that off to keep the lesson a little easier.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a Frankenstein bunny.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye!